Hey everybody, thanks for watching. This is our LG refrigerator, and let's see, that's what we drink. Anyway, this LG refrigerator has a filter system inside of it, and we are being told that time to replace the filter. That's what this flashing icon is, and I'm going to show you how to do that. It's pretty simple. What I do is I just take the filter out and take it to the store. The one gotcha is I make sure nobody uses the water system while the filter's out. Inside, you see our dirty fridge. Not really, but here it is anyway. The filter is in the upper left in the compartment that looks like this, and you simply push and twist until tightened, or reverse those steps to take it out. So I'm turning this counterclockwise. There we go. And I pull out, and you can see the double gasket thing right there. And now if I look in here, we can see this is the LG water filter replacement cartridge. So I'm taking this puppy with me to a big box store. In this case, it's Home Depot. We bought the extended service contract for this, so we get half off on these. That's kind of a good deal. It pays for the extended service contract and 3 or 4 filters. Let's go to the store. Okay, now that you're home, all you have to do is open this thing up. Let's do this quick time. Pop the cap off to expose those 2 rings, and then get over to your refrigerator and reverse the steps of what you did before. Open it up, push it in, and turn it counterclockwise. Here's a good close-up of my left biceps. Not too hard. And then just close that up, and the only thing left really is to reset the filter, and all you do for that is hold the button down for 3 seconds. I figured that out here in a second. There you go. And the filter's off. Thanks for watching.